Hello, a warm welcome to you to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we shall discuss something about emotional intelligence. Right? We are all human beings and we are a bundle of emotions. That is what we are. Human beings are a bundle of emotions. That is, I think, how we can best describe what is like human being, right? We have many emotions going through within us all the time. We experience them all the time, right? And emotions are the ones that really make up our personality, that really show who we are. And emotions are the ones that really drive our relationships with others, be it professional or personal. So we need to understand what really is emotional intelligence and how to develop that emotional intelligence, how to be better persons, and how to maintain better relationships with others. Right? Let us try to understand what emotional intelligence is all about. It is defined as the capacity to be aware of, control, and express one's emotions. See here, emotional intelligence is the capacity of being aware of our own emotions. What are the emotions that we are experiencing? You have to be aware of them consciously, willingly and knowingly. That is emotional intelligence. And we also have to control them, right? Because every emotion is not very fruitful and prospective, right? We experience lot of negative emotions, lot of unwanted emotions, unwarranted emotions. So also we have to learn controlling our emotions, right? And expressing our emotions. That is also very important to maintain relationships, because expression or communication is the key here. And how well we express, how well we communicate, that is the thing which is going to decide our entire status of relationship with others professionally and personally also, right? And also judicially and empathetically. See, this is the concept here, empathy. It is not, emotional intelligence is not everything about our own self. It is also about understanding the emotions of others as well. Being empathetic towards others, being understanding towards others, learning the emotions that the other people are going through. That is also part and parcel of emotional intelligence, right? Emotional intelligence allows to monitor your own emotions and of others, right? Emotional intelligence is two-way thing. It is understanding our own self as well as the emotions of others, right? And they help you discriminate different emotions. We all know, like we have already discussed it, like we experience so many emotions, positive emotions, negative emotions, pathetic emotions, unwanted emotions, right? Sometimes some emotions, they drive us, or they kill us from inside. We don't know why we are not in charge of those emotions, why we are not able to stop them, why we are not able to control them. And when you understand this concept of emotional intelligence, and when you try to improve your emotional quotient, emotional intelligence, then you can really understand what is going on within yourself, and you can really start trying to control your emotions, right? So that will help you better understand your own self as well as the other people's emotions as well, okay? And it guides your thinking and behavior. Obviously, we are what we emotionally feel. We behave what we emotionally feel. We think what we emotionally feel. Okay, so obviously our thinking capacity, our behavior, everything is driven by or guided by the emotions that we experience. And when we understand those emotions better, we can definitely think better, act better, right? And in general, we can become a more better person, right? High emotional intelligence helps understand why you feel the way you feel. Sometimes we go through lots of emotions and we really don't think consciously of what is running in the mind, what emotion that we are expressing, right? And when you understand this concept of emotional intelligence, you can understand, you can give a conscious thought about what you are feeling inside and why you are feeling that. Okay, when you consciously know that, when you consciously be aware of that emotion, then it will be much better for you, much easier for you to understand that emotion and to control that emotion if it is a negative one, and to express that emotion in a positive way if it is a wanted emotion or a positive emotion. So basically, emotional intelligence helps you understand why you are feeling a certain way, why you are experiencing that particular emotion, be it any kind of emotion, be it sadness or happiness or excitement or doubt or suspicion or skepticism, whatever be it, or overjoy, overconfidence. All these are all these are emotions that we experience on minute to minute basis, second to second basis. Thing is, you need to understand them, and to understand them you have to be basically aware of those emotions, right? And when you be aware of those emotions, understand them, express them, control them, that will help you in becoming a better person and in also maintaining better relationships with others. Okay, thank you.